Let's dive into a classic JavaScript puzzle and see how it secretly powers every React application.
Okay, check this out. We have a timeout set for 0 milliseconds. What do you think happens?
First, we log start. Then we set a supposedly immediate timeout. And finally, we log end.
But look, async task prints last. This is not a bug, it's a core feature of JavaScript.
And this is exactly why React apps don't just freeze up. Let's break it down.
So JavaScript only does one thing at a time. The call stack is basically its to-do list.
When JavaScript sees something like set timeout, it just hands it off to the browser's web APIs. Once the browser's done, the task gets put in this waiting line, the callback queue.
And here's the coordinator, the event loop. It's constantly checking if the call stack is empty.
So here's the key. The event loop always waits for the main code to finish first. Okay, so how does this actually help us in React? Well, it's everything for a responsive UI.
Take this useEffect hook. That fetch call is a classic async web API task, so it won't block things.
The request happens in the background, so your app stays smooth. The UI update just waits its turn.
All right, we've got the data. Now we have to actually display it, which means object traversal. We can use methods like .map to turn that data directly into JSX elements. Super common pattern.
This whole async flow fits perfectly into the three main stages of the React component lifecycle.
And yep, useEffect lets us hook right into these moments, like when a component mounts or unmounts.
And don't forget the cleanup function. It's super important for preventing memory leaks and bugs.
So next time, just remember this flow. It's the event loop, quietly running the whole show.
The event loop is just one example. Want to master React faster? Subscribe for more deep dives.